Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to be looking at place value lesson 2. Last lesson, we talked about the place values up to 9 million. Now, we're going to go even farther with this today. Now, real quick review. Remember, we have different periods. This is the ones period. As you remember from the last one, this is the thousands period. And then our last one is the millions period. And remember, you should be writing this in your notes on your paper. And at any point, pause this if you need more time to write. All right, let's look at this. So again, we're going to label these. Ready? Ones. Oop, my pen doesn't want to work all of a sudden. Tens and hundreds. Then we have, remember, we get past the comma, we start our thousands. And this is the 1000s. We just say thousands. Can't really tell there's a T there. Then we have the 10,000. And the 100,000. I'm running out of room. And then we move into the millions. Remember, this is the 1 millions. And this is now the tens millions. And this would be what we call the 100. Sorry about the barking. My dog saw somebody. This is the 100 millions, right? All right. Now, moving on. Okay, I showed you this in expanded form before, remember? So let's start at the bottom, okay? So we started at the ones place. So here, this is worth 1 times 1, or just 1, right? Okay, and then the next one is worth the 6 times the 10, right? So this is worth 60. And then going up, we have 2 times 100, or 200. And then we have a 3 here times 1,000, because that's its value. So we have 3,000. And then we have 9 times 10,000, or 90,000. And then we have 4 times 100,000, or 400,000. Now we get in the millions, so we got 6 times 1 million, or we could say it's worth 6 million. Now, 0, remember when there's nothing here, we just leave this one out. And here we have 6 times 100 million, or 600 million. Okay. All right, moving on. Now, we're going to redefine these again. You should be able to remember these. The standard form, remember we said it was just numbers. We said the word form is how you say the number. An expanded form is taking it and breaking it apart. All right, so let's look at this one. This one we're going to do together. So first and foremost, let's again label this number up here in what form? It's standard form. So write that beside it. Then let's read this word. And as we read it, we're going to write it out. So 800 892. Now remember, that's not 892. There's more to it. So we have to tell them what period. So 892 million, then 874, and again, not just 874, it's 874,000, because that's what period it's in. Then 982. Okay, expanded form. Let's do this. So we're going to go 800 million. So we're going to put all those zeros behind it, plus 90 million, plus 2 million. You can, Lainey, no. Here, Miss Lainey. 800,000 plus 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 2. All right, so remember, this next one is for you to do independently first. Remember to label what form this is, write it in word form, and then expand it out, and then pause that video while you do, and then come back and see if you got it correct. All right, so first and foremost, we should have labeled this number up here as the standard form, okay? Very important you understand what standard form is, because if they ask you on a test or anything to write it in standard form, that's what they're looking for. Okay, word form. Let's see how this works. This is 535 million. Okay. 456,902. Okay. To do it in expanded form, I'm going to say 500 million plus 30 million plus 5 million plus 400,000 plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 900. Remember, we don't say plus 0 plus 2. We keep, because there's a 0 in the tens place, we leave it alone. We just say plus 2. Great job. All right, head back to class craft and continue on your pathway, and I will see you back for place value lesson 3.